Motorcycles and mayhem. India's largest motorcycle festival came alive as riders and enthusiasts from across the country made their way to the biggest party in town. Yes, India Bike Week was back.
What is IBW? Well, the sun, sand, the beaches and of course the motorcycles. Well, this is a special edition, so we don't have the beaches and the sand, but what we do have is the sun and of course all these motorcycles. Well, IBW is here and we've missed it a lot.
India Bike Week is a great platform to showcase new motorcycles to the target audience, the motorcyclists. And manufacturers did not disappoint. Kawasaki, Honda and Harley Davidson led the charge by introducing all new offerings. Kawasaki showcased the Z650 RS for the first time in India, while Honda launched the Highness CB350 first anniversary edition and unveiled the CB300R in the BS6 avatar. We also got the good news that the new CB300R will be locally manufactured from 2022. A long-standing partner of IBW, Harley Davidson launched the new Sportster S at the festival, its second big launch this year. Bringing some old school charm were vintage motorcycles at India Bike Week 2021. Immaculately maintained with lots of love and care, this was a sight to behold. From BMWs, Nortons to Triumphs and even Yamahas, all looked beautiful in the winter sun. Grabbing special attention though was the original BSA Gold Star, and comparisons were inevitable with the new one. For those who like to tinker around with their machines, the modified motorcycle tent had some beautiful custom bikes on display. While some were outlandish, others were tastefully done up. The motorcycle clubs were back in action, and the club parade certainly lit up the festival over the 2 days. From Harleys to Hondas to Suzukis, there was plenty of action in the main arena. IBW is also a great place to showcase some impressive motorcycling documentaries and films, and this year's talking point was the Harley Davidson produced short film 18,603 feet. 5 motorcyclists taking the Pan America 1250 up to 18,603 feet in Ladakh, the highest altitude any Harley Davidson motorcycle has ever been to. And just when we started missing the mountains, this quaint little cafe brought the feels with instant noodles and some chai. Bikers were also enthralled with plenty of action, with the stunt riders pulling off some daredevil moves. While Hero had an experiential track for customers, those wanting to try out the new X-Pulse 200 4V. Having skipped 2020 due to the pandemic, the 2-day annual motorcycling festival was back and thriving, and we can't wait to head back. If you missed out this year, start planning now. India Bike Week returns in December 2022.